Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and add email on Instagram. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For that, first of all, access your Instagram, and right over there simply go ahead tap on this profile icon on bottom right. Now you will find this kinds of interface including your profile and the posts, right? If you would like to add yourself in email of yours, you have to tap on this edit profile option given. And now simply go ahead tap on this option of personal information settings. This will simply open up the account setter with the personal details tab directly. This is kind of a shortcut, you don't have to go through the settings and privacy to find it. Now over here on top you can see contact info. Tap on it. So here in this section you can find your email on top right. You can simply go ahead tap on this add new contact and tap on this add email. And now you will be able to enter a new email address for you. Once you have entered that email address, now choose which account you would like that email to be applied to or be connected to. Once you have chose that account, you will be able to afterwards tap on this next option. Now you will have to wait for the verification email on your inbox. Go ahead, check that inbox out, copy that verification code, paste it over here, verify yourself, and you will be able to add that particular email to the chosen account of yours here in this section. So that is how you can add email on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.